Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create presentation in Prezi AI. So yeah, let's go straight into it. Now, first thing what you need to do is log in to your Prezi account. Now on the main dashboard layout, you will see here that we can already start to create that. So we can just type in right here. But if you don't see that, you can always here on the left side click on create new. Okay, so for the example, I will go here with this one over here. Okay, so what we need to do now, you can drag and drop your text document or older PowerPoint deck into this upload portal right here. And also we can type in, so I will give here just one short example, and based on that you can also upload file which includes all what we are put in here. Now we create with AI, and yeah, what we need to do just now is simply wait a few moments that everything AI finish. So now here you can see the progress of creating the presentation, which looks pretty cool if you ask me. Now we need to still wait a few moments that our Sophie AI designer finish. So right now is just finished. Okay. Now what we have here, as you can see, it's pretty interactive option here. Now what we can do basically is here at the top you see this floating menu. We can add slide, uh, we can regenerate this overlay layout here. But if we jump into the slides, what we can do basically is we can design suggestion here. We can add text boxes, we can add images. As you can see, then here 3 dots, we have presenter note and so on. Now also design suggestions. You will have this option here for slider 5. So basically AI will show you 3 different ways if you like one of them. Then other thing is that you can here on the left side, you can now talk with the AI agent Sophia here, and it will then change something if you type in here something that you don't like right now and that you would like to change. But I think this presentation looks pretty cool right here, so I wouldn't change anything. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out how to create presentation in Prezi AI. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you